think I would take Ruby up here.
Well, we've taken this courtesy car way further than we're supposed to. The tires were all wore out. Not all wore out, but enough to be a concern. I got a good deal on some 31s, so thank you to Kurt for those. Him and his son Connor helped me put those on yesterday.
I didn't have to do a thing.
Sam didn't have to do a thing. We went for a flight, and that's why Sam didn't get to go, is because she didn't help.
Oh, whatever.
Today we are headed to Gray Bowl, see Glenn, get some mail, and we're gonna have some fun on the way.
Hey, we are in a fabulous area on top of a ridge near the Powder River in Wyoming, and some branch that comes straight out of the mountains nearby. But isn't this pretty? I can't get Kyle's head because I'm too short, but we were flying to Gray Bowl from Buffalo, and we saw this beautiful canyon, and there's this private airstrip nearby, and we decided to call and land on it.
Yeah, so we landed on the airstrip, and now we're just kind of here, and she said call her when we land, she'll come pick us up, but she's not answering her phone, so I guess we're on. I'm Kyle. Your name is?
Laurence.
Lawrence.
Hi, Sam. Nice
Hi,
to meet
Sam.
you.
Yeah, so you did fly runway heading, and then you saw the lodge on the right?
Is that the lodge up there?
Oh, no.
Oh.
No. So why don't you come with me, and I will show you the lodge.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the canyon.
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
stole
that's
my
definitely
place.
the canyon.
We were on the other canyon, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Wow. Goodness.
I'm getting B-roll of you getting B-roll.
I'm Kyle.
Hi,
Kyle.
I'm Kyle.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Kyle.
to meet you too.
Sam, hi, nice to meet you.
Sorry for the camera right in your face.
Oh no, you're good.
This is ridiculous.
So come on out. Okay. Okay, so crazy cool update.
We found the coolest ranch ever.
Sweet. Oh my gosh.
Coolest.
There's 60 horses. They do all these hay fields. They have thousands of acres. I am talking, do not interrupt me. They have thousands of acres. We're gonna go into Gray Bowl and get our audio cable, say hi to Glenn and Evelyn, and then we will be here for tonight. It looks like some weather might be coming in, so we're gonna double check that before we get going.
There's a thunderstorm coming and we can't fit my plane in the hangar with that citation. I decided to go to Glenn's tomorrow.
Oh, this is the storm that is coming at us right now.
So her and I together took the tow bar on a citation and pulled it forward about 4 feet. And it took everything from both of us to pull an entire jet out of the way for our plane to fit in here to avoid the storm. Good morning, everybody. We are here at, shoot, where are we? Red Reflet. So reflet is French for reflection. Ended up staying here for the night, got fed, got breakfast. They let me cook in their kitchen. It's amazing. And now I'm about to go swim in this natural hot springs pool with a zip line on it. And it's done. I know. Hey dude, how's it going? Good.
Oh my gosh. I know who you guys are. Good. It's kind of funny.
Nice to meet you.
You're like so tall.
I know, I'm huge.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are all short. Thank you. Finally, our audio cable.
Finally.
We are in Grable with Evelyn and Glenn.
Hey guys.
And they received all our mail because we sent it very, very far ahead this time.
What are we doing?
We're signing shirts for Glenn and Evelyn.
Okay. Are you gonna have the better signature again? I don't know if that's gonna stay.
Hello. Hey, how are you?
Hi, how are you doing?
Good. We might end up, this car might be our salvation. They wanted to charge us 70 bucks for the car, and I was like, look.
You can't afford that.
Well.
For 2 hours.
Yeah.
I would take Ruby up here. I think I would take Ruby up here.
Well, we've taken this courtesy car way further than we're supposed to.
Oh look, people. How's it look up there?
Huh?
How does it look up there? Yeah? Or we don't know the mountain at all, so we're...
Yeah, you guys should be fine.
Okay.
Is it campable up there?
Yeah. Okay.
Cool.
You stick more to the right. There's a few shoot offs to the left, but they don't go anywhere with good.
Okay. All
Thank
right.
you.
Grab some speed roads, so just stick right.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Today, we're doing a bunch of work using the Wi-Fi, eating some noodles.
I am working on the blog, which is now a full week and a half late. I have no excuse other than my life is complicated.
Okay, so we spent nearly all day here in Cody, Wyoming. I got a lot of office work done today. Sam's taking a nap, she needs him. And I thought we were gonna fly, but it's just storming like crazy out there. It's terrible. William decided to come pick us up, give us some salvation for the night because we're stuck. You okay being on the camera?
Yeah, I don't know, I might break it.
That's what the last guy said.
Pizza! We made it to Billings, which was a 2-hour drive, which we thought was like less than an hour drive.
Man. So you did to me
I'm so
earlier.
instantly tired.
I know. We should probably just go right to bed. Thank you for getting us.